Welcome to the exciting holidays. Whether you're looking for adventure or just want to relax on November 27th and 28th, there's a celebration for everyone. Remember to send happy thoughts to those celebrating birthdays or other important events on these special days. Cyber Monday. Cyber Monday, observed on the Monday after Thanksgiving in the United States, is a significant online shopping event that falls on November 27th in 2023. Initially coined in 2005 by the National Retail Federation, the term Cyber Monday was created to encourage people to shop online, at a time when e-commerce was just beginning to make a substantial impact on retail. It rapidly gained popularity and has since become one of the biggest shopping days of the year, with retailers offering substantial discounts and deals exclusively online. The day is particularly known for its tech and electronics deals, but it spans a wide range of product categories including clothing, home goods, and toys. Cyber Monday marks a key date in the holiday shopping season, offering consumers the convenience of shopping from the comfort of their homes while taking advantage of some of the best prices of the year. Over the years, Cyber Monday has evolved to not just a day, but often a week of online sales, extending the opportunities for consumers to find deals. This extension, sometimes referred to as Cyber Week, reflects the growing preference for online shopping over traditional in-store purchases, particularly during the busy holiday season. The event's popularity underscores the changing consumer behaviors and the shift towards e-commerce, accelerated in part by advancements in technology and the increased use of mobile devices for shopping. For retailers, Cyber Monday represents a significant opportunity to boost sales and attract customers, often using creative marketing strategies and exclusive online offers. For shoppers, it's a day marked by convenience and the thrill of finding great deals, contributing to the ever-growing enthusiasm and anticipation for this annual online shopping extravaganza. National Bavarian Cream Pie Day. National Bavarian Cream Pie Day, celebrated on November 27th, is a delightful food holiday dedicated to the indulgent and creamy dessert known as Bavarian cream pie. Bavarian cream, or crème bavaroise, is a classic dessert that originated in France, despite its name suggesting German roots. It consists of a rich and smooth custard cream thickened with gelatin and whipped cream, often flavored with vanilla, liqueur, or fruit purees. This luscious cream is then set into a pie crust or layered with sponge cake to create the celebrated Bavarian cream pie. The dessert is known for its luxurious texture and delicate flavor, making it a favorite for those who appreciate a refined and elegant treat. On National Bavarian Cream Pie Day, pastry chefs and home bakers alike take the opportunity to showcase their culinary skills by preparing this exquisite dessert. It's a day for dessert enthusiasts to indulge in this creamy delight, whether by baking their own pies or enjoying a slice from their favorite bakery. The holiday encourages the exploration of various interpretations and flavors of Bavarian cream pie, from the traditional vanilla-infused version to more adventurous variations incorporating chocolate, fruit, or even exotic spices. In celebrating this day, people not only pay homage to the rich culinary heritage of this dessert but also enjoy the simple pleasure of sharing and savoring a beautifully crafted pie with friends and family. Turtle Adoption Day. Turtle Adoption Day is not a widely recognized or official holiday. However, the concept of dedicating a day to turtle adoption could serve an important purpose in wildlife conservation and pet care education. If such a day were to be established, it could focus on raising awareness about the needs and proper care of turtles, both in the wild and as pets. Turtles, being one of the oldest reptile groups, are fascinating creatures but often require specific environmental and dietary conditions to thrive. This day could emphasize the importance of responsible pet ownership, highlighting the commitment required to care for these animals. It could also be an opportunity for animal shelters, conservation groups, and pet stores to educate the public about the challenges and rewards of caring for turtles, and to encourage the adoption of turtles in need of homes. In addition to promoting responsible pet ownership, Turtle Adoption Day could also draw attention to the plight of wild turtle populations. Many species of turtles are endangered due to habitat destruction, pollution, and the illegal pet trade. This day could serve as a platform for conservation efforts, encouraging people to support turtle habitats and participate in conservation programs. Activities could include educational workshops, fundraising events, and community cleanup projects to protect natural turtle habitats. By celebrating Turtle Adoption Day, people could be inspired to take action in preserving these ancient creatures, ensuring their survival for generations to come. Giving Tuesday. Giving Tuesday, often stylized as #GivingTuesday, is a global movement that encourages and amplifies acts of generosity. Celebrated on the Tuesday following Thanksgiving in the United States, it falls after the widely recognized shopping events Black Friday and Cyber Monday. In 2023, Giving Tuesday will be observed on November 28th. This day is dedicated to charitable giving and volunteerism, where individuals, communities, and organizations come together to support causes they believe in and those in need. The concept of Giving Tuesday was created in 2012 by the 92nd Street Y, a cultural center in New York City, and the United Nations Foundation. It was designed as a response to the commercialization and consumerism in the post-Thanksgiving season and has grown into a global movement that inspires hundreds of millions of people to give, collaborate, and celebrate generosity. On this day, people are encouraged to donate money, time, goods, or their voice to help others. It's a day that emphasizes the potential of social media and the generosity of people around the world to bring about real change in their communities. Giving Tuesday harnesses the power of social media and the generosity of people around the world to bring about real change in their communities. It provides a platform to encourage the donation of time, resources, and talents to address local challenges. Additionally, it brings together the collective power of a unique blend of partners, nonprofits, civic organizations, businesses, and corporations, as well as families and individuals, to encourage and amplify small acts of kindness. As a global movement, Giving Tuesday unites countries around the world by sharing our capacity to care for and empower one another. National French Toast Day. National French Toast Day is a culinary celebration observed annually in the United States on November 28th. This day is dedicated to one of the most popular breakfast dishes, French toast, known for its simplicity and delicious taste. French toast, also known as eggy bread, Bombay toast, German toast, gypsy toast, or poor knights, of Windsor, is made by soaking slices of bread in a mixture of beaten eggs, often with milk or cream. The soaked bread is then fried on both sides until it's golden brown and cooked through. Typically sweetened with sugar, cinnamon, nutmeg, or vanilla, and served with syrup, fruits, or powdered sugar, French toast can also be made in savory variations. National French Toast Day encourages people to indulge in this versatile and beloved dish, whether by preparing it at home or enjoying it at their favorite breakfast spot. It's a day for food enthusiasts to experiment with different recipes and toppings, exploring various bread types, from classic white bread to brioche or challah, and playing with a range of accompaniments like fresh berries, whipped cream, or even savory toppings like cheese and herbs. Red Planet Day. Red Planet Day is observed annually on November 28th to celebrate Mars, the fourth planet from the Sun, often referred to as the Red Planet due to its reddish appearance. This date was chosen to commemorate the launch of the spacecraft Mariner 4 on November 28, 1964, which performed the first successful flyby of Mars, giving humans their first close-up view of the planet in July 1965. This historic mission marked a significant milestone in space exploration and our understanding of Mars. The day is an opportunity to celebrate and learn more about Mars and the various missions that have explored the planet. Over the years, numerous spacecraft, including orbiters, landers, and rovers, have been sent to Mars, significantly expanding our knowledge of its geology, atmosphere, and potential for hosting life. Red Planet Day encourages interest in astronomy, the study of Mars, and the science involved in space exploration. Educational institutions, astronomy clubs, and space enthusiasts often observe the day with activities, educational events, and discussions about Mars and its mysteries. It's a day that highlights human curiosity and the ongoing quest to explore our solar system and beyond. That's it for today. Enjoy celebrating and have a great time making special memories with these wonderful holidays.